I've said this before, but my biggest aha moment came at the beginning with talking about gratitude and the realization that just by being grateful can lift my mood and help me feel joyful and experience life in a much better way. And in doing so, I'm able to be more present, be more mindful of how I am around people, and kind of work with the other values in the GRACE program. It's been an amazing journey these last 8 weeks. Thank you, everyone, for giving me this extra aha moment that I needed. Thank you.
I hope to share it with other people in my life, because one thing I've been implementing compassion and understanding. Are these people using GRACE? Are they even aware of GRACE? And I appreciate everyone here for sharing your story, and I don't know, I just connect with everything you guys say, and it makes me grow, So thank you.
I'm so grateful, first of all, for everyone, and I've learned so much through this couple of weeks that we have been together, all of us, and sharing, and I'm going to continue. I'm not going to stop here, and I encourage everyone to continue doing what they are doing, and I hear so many great things for everyone, and I'm so grateful to be in this program. I really enjoy every bit of it, and I love you all, appreciate everything that was done. Thank you.